What's up, gearheads, and welcome to Gear Cafe, Season 4 and our 5th and final episode for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the last 4 videos because I'm honestly having a blast. Now that I have my Class 6 full license, I can go anywhere with this thing, and I ultimately plan to. But gearheads, we have a lot more work to do on the Explorer, on the Fusion, and on the bike because there's a lot of cool stuff that I want to do to it. However, today's episode is a little bit special. Because it's our 5th and final for this week, I want to talk to you about 5 things that they won't tell you about riding.
Alright, this first one's going to be nice and short and sweet. They didn't tell you how expensive things are going to be. I got to buy the helmet, I got to buy a jacket, I got to buy the bike, I got to buy the gear, I got to buy boots. I got to buy everything all over again because now there's no protection for you when you're riding. So the one thing they don't mention is how damn expensive things are. Number 2 is how much things hurt after every time you get off that bike. They're not going to tell you that because honestly, yes, it's person to person. You could be ripped, you could be in great shape, but new gloves hurt your hand. The binding around your neck rubs against your chin, so it actually ends up hurting. But the one thing they won't tell you is the fact that things hurt every time you get off that bike. I can't go more than like a half an hour without things hurting, whether it be my back, whether it be my feet, whether it be my hands. Just keep that in mind when you ride, okay? Now number 3 is going to be a little sentimental, guys, because I have friends I've lost. But number 3 is going to be how valuable your life is. Not so many people walk up to you and say, you know what, please be careful. You know, maybe your mom and dad do, maybe your girlfriend or wife does. But not your friends. No, not the regular public. Nobody online is going to tell you to drive safe. Everybody's too concerned and wrapped up with what they're doing. But Brandon Thomas here was killed by an impaired driver. And every year we have a memorial show for him, and it's coming up in August. So I just want you guys to know that Gear Cafe cares about you and your life, and how I wants to tell you how valuable you are. You're valuable to society, you're valuable to us as a family, and I just want to tell you I love you guys, and you guys have been a big support to us, a big support to me. Alright, gearheads, number 4 is going to be keeping a clean visor. This thing gets plastered full of bugs like every day I ride. Today is the exception because I think it's just kind of cold out. But as soon as you put that helmet on, take a nice summer ride, honestly, all the bugs are going to be aiming for your face. So try to keep like a wet wipe or some bug wipes. They have those bug degreasing wipes. Try to grab a pack of those because honestly, you're going to use them all right up. Gearheads, that's 5th video, 5th point, end of the day. I'm exhausted, you're probably exhausted, so I'm gonna make this short and sweet. Number 5 is pick out a bike that's good for you. Put aside all the opinions of all your friends and all, you know, people online. You know, they mean well, but honestly, most of the time, they're just thinking of something that would suit them. Everybody's individual, and your personality is individual. So guys, pick out a bike when you go to buy your own. Pick out a bike that suits you. Pick a bike that suits your height. Pick a bike that suits your personality. Pick the color you like. And honestly, just enjoy it because you chose that one. So gearheads, pick the bike that's best for you, that suits your personality, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care and do it, Mosey.